Throughout history, God has revealed unto humanity a series of divine educators, or prophets, meant to develop societies and individuals both spiritually and materially. These prophets of God have included Abraham, Krishna, Moses, Zoroaster, Buddha, Christ, Muhammad, the Bab, and Baha'u'llah. Hazrat Baha'u'llah, meaning glory of God in Arabic, the latest of these messengers, declared his station as the prophet of the Baha'i faith in 1863 Persia, modern-day Iran, and was the promised one of God in which humankind had been awaiting. He is in essence the spiritual return of all the messengers of the past and the fulfillment of all the prophecies revealed unto humanity from previous dispensations. The Baha'i faith is the religion for this day and age, destined to usher humanity into a new era of peace, unity, and equality. In Baha'i communities around the world, in cities, towns, and villages, the teachings of Baha'u'llah inspire followers of the Baha'i faith to enhance not only their own personal lives, but also the communities around them. Among the principles Baha'is believe in include the oneness of God in religion, the oneness of humanity, the elimination of all forms of prejudice, the noble character of the human being, the concept of progressive revelation in regards to religious truth, the independent search for truth, the enhancement of spiritual qualities, the integration of worship and service, the equality of men and women, harmony between religion and science, the importance of justice in all human endeavors, and the importance of education. The next video will focus on the covenant and life of Hazrat Baha'u'llah, the prophet of the Baha'i faith. He who is your Lord, the All-Merciful, cherisheth in his heart the desire of beholding the entire human race as one soul and one body. Baha'u'llah.